because I love investing. So when you understand the basics of money, the next step is read financial books. When it comes to reading financial books, be specific, because there's a difference between reading business books. Business books is just about understanding like marketing, pricing, negotiating, advertising, sales. Those are marketing skills. Like those are business skills, and you can get them from books too, like Sell or Be Sold, and other business books. So when it comes to financial books, they are talking of Rich Dad Poor Dad, because that book, that is the book that changed my mindset about money. That was 2 years ago. I hate reading books before. I cannot read any book that is already this, like half of this size. But when I saw Rich Dad Poor Dad in one of my auntie's cupboard, and I was like, wow, this book is very small, very portable book, and it's actually going to be interesting. So I saw it, I was like, wow, Rich Dad Poor Dad. And I was questioning myself, how can two dads give birth to a son? And I was very confused. That was 2 years ago. So I said, okay, because of this, I'm going to pick the book. And immediately Robert points to the place when he said, parents normally tell their kids, go to school, get a good grade, and look for a good company to work for. He said that's what his poor dad normally advised him, and that's what my parents normally advised me to. So he said that's what poor people tell their children. You understand? I'm not saying your parent is poor. I'm only telling you what Rich Dad Poor Dad taught me. So when he got to the side of Rich Dad, when he said Rich Dad told him he should go to school, he should graduate, and look for a good company to buy, or look for a good company to build. That was when my mindset changed. Before, I normally think, oh, all I just need is go to school, I get good grades like A's in all my courses, then graduate with first class and look for a good company to work under. That was my mentality before I read Rich Dad Poor Dad. But after that day that I read Rich Dad Poor Dad, so it took me like 3 months. So I changed my mindset from go to school, get good grades, and look for a good company to work for. I changed my mindset from that to go to school, graduate, and look for a good company to buy, or increase your mindset so that you'll be able to write business plan that you can build a business on. So since then, I've been removing my mindset from the employee's mindset, the employee's mentality, how the employees think. All I just need to do is graduate from school and look for a good company to work under. That's a no-no for me. Mine is I go to school. I'm in school right now. I graduate and I think of good business to build, or I go to school, I graduate and buy other businesses, just like, and also invest in other businesses, just like Warren Buffett and some other investors. I actually love Warren Buffett. His book Intelligent Investor and some of other investors' books is actually amazing. So what I'm trying to say is try to read books, finance book like Rich Dad Poor Dad is a personal finance book. You can read Rich Dad Poor Dad, Psychology of Money, Multiple Source of Income, and many other different type of finance book. Finance book is majorly talking about your attitude and your psychology about money. You understand? It's talking about your money, it's talking about your attitude and your psychology to money. So when you read books like that, you see that you begin to change your character. Just like learning has not taken place if the learner's character has not changed, if your behavior has not changed after going through a process, a training, drilling, or reading or studying. If your character has not changed, you have not learned. So learning has not taken place. So what I'm trying to say is read financial books. That's step 2. And if you love to get some PDFs, I actually have some PDF of financial books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Psychology of Money, Sell or Be Sold, and some others. So if you like to get some PDF, you can actually click on the WhatsApp link below in the description. You will see my WhatsApp link, a very short link. That's my WhatsApp link. So just send me a DM and with your receipt. You know, the reason I said with your receipt, that means you are going to pay, is because somebody once told me something when I asked for something for free. He said things that are valuable are not free. And since then I've understand, because if you can get something that is valuable for free, you are not going to value it. You understand? So that's why I said you click on the link, the WhatsApp link, send me a message, the book you want. I've already automated, so you just see I want the book. You understand? So you send me the message and I will send you the book after you send your receipt. Remember, valuable things are not free. So the fourth step to become financially intelligent is just 3 words: avoid lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation, just as I said before, is increasing the amount of money you spend the older or the more productive you become. For example, some people, after making extra income, they say, oh, since I'm making extra income, I would like to increase the amount of money I spend. That is very wrong, and it's not productivity. So if you can keep that extra income in an investment or in savings, you're actually going to be productive and you'll be happy, because that is financial intelligence. You understand? So reduce your spending habits. Like I said before, reduce your spending habits and reduce your fears. Your fears of not having money and your fears of what will other people say when I don't have money. This is a very bad thing. Reduce it. See, people don't care about you. I can tell you, people don't care about you just like you think. Some people, they are just thinking, oh, if I just go to work with this car, people are going to laugh at me. Let them laugh at you. You are building something for the future. You are investing in your future, so that in the future, just like Robert Allen said, he said it's better to be able to buy any car, any price in the future, because you have saved some money now. Save some money now, and the price of a car or anything you want to buy, you will be able to buy it because you have invested for the future. So even if people laugh at you, oh, this guy is living beyond his means, he's wearing the same clothes, he's having this, wearing used cars, used everything, does not have anything that is real, don't mind them. They don't care about you. You understand? So live below your means. When you invest already, you can increase your means. What I'm trying to say is, the amount of money you make after removing, okay, this one's for expenses, even before removing expenses or anything, first pay yourself. And when you pay yourself, you are not spending that amount of money. You are not. Paying yourself means you are investing in something for the future. That's what I mean by paying yourself. You invest in something for the future. You invest for the future. Just, okay, this amount of money, maybe 20% of my salary is going to my investment. That is how I pay myself. Very simple. So reduce your spending habits. Reduce your fears of not having money. Reduce your fears of what will other people say. Don't care what other people will say. Do your thing, make your investment, and live a good life. So I've come to the fourth and the final one, the final step, which is start investing. Just like I said in the beginning, the first form of investment that you should carry out is investment in your mindset by reading books, reading good books, reading financial books, reading business books. Then the other form of investing I'm talking about is money investment. After you have understand the basics of money, understand savings, understand budgeting, understand negotiating, understand pricing, understand investing, the next step, read financial books. You read books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, read books, business books, good books. You understand? Then the next step, you reduce your spending habits. That is, avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't increase the amount of money you spend, the productive you become. No. Even if you can reduce it, the better, because you will be able to have more to invest. So the last step is start investing. Don't be afraid of investing. Tell yourself investing is easy. It is very easy, because not being financially intelligent, if it is riskier than investing, that means investing is more. You understand? So after becoming financially intelligent, you start investing, because you have understand this is how money works. If I put my money here, I don't need to be in the organization, working in the organization with my time. I just need my money to go and work for me. That's what Robert Kiyosaki is saying. He said, the rich don't work for me. The rich don't work for me. Most of the services, when the rich guys, when they started, when they were still young, just like me, they started with free stuff. I'll do this for you, and don't pay me. Why? Because they understand something about psychology of money. Because they know the moment they start collecting money from a services that they have not understand how to control themselves financially, they will enter the rat race. The rat race is the race that no matter how you work, but you are still spending. You are not able to control your spending habits. You don't understand financial intelligence. You are not financially educated. You are still financially illiterate. That's the rat race. So to be on the fast track, just like Robert said, what you have to do, understand financial intelligence. Become financially educated. Understand how money works. And the main thing is, let money work for you. So just like I've said before, if you want to get a PDF like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Psychology of Money, and Sell or Be Sold, some other business books and finance book, you can just click on the link, the WhatsApp link in the description below. Click on the link and send me the message with your receipt. Don't forget, valuable things are not free. You can't get valuable things for free, because investing in your mindset, just like I said, is the first step. So you should find reading books, buying books. You should find it very interesting, because it's a way of investing in your own mindset. You know, the funniest thing is when I tell people, read this book, I recommend that book, go and buy it. I want you to read this book, go and read this book. What they think is that they think after reading that book, it is for my own good. No, it is not for my good. It is for your good. Because if you don't read the book, I might have read it, and I would have gained everything I want to gain. Then I want you also to gain something. That's why I will say, read this book, read that book. I recommend that book. But if you just say, oh, it's just saying it so that it does, no. It's about increasing your financial intelligence, increasing your financial IQ. You understand? So, if you want to get the book, PDF format, click on the link, the short WhatsApp link below in the description, and send me a message with your receipt. Don't forget, valuable things are not free. My next content is coming out, which is understanding the difference between an asset and a liability. Stay tuned, watch out for it, like, subscribe. Thank you.